How to add music on Instagram Notes. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you add music on your Instagram Notes. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Instagram app with your account. Okay, so once you are logged in with your account on Instagram, you'll got such interface. So from here, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from the profile section, you'll have to just tap on this share note option just at the top left corner. So simply tap on this share or note option. Okay, so from this section, you'll have to just tap on this music icon just at the below of that profile image. So simply tap on this music icon. Okay, so from here you can choose your specific music or sounds which you want to add on your Instagram notes, or as you can also browse this music by searching your favorite music here. So after you choose one from here, you'll have to just tap on this music. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to just tap on this done option just at the top right corner of that section. So simply tap on this. Alright, so now from here you can easily go the option share. So simply tap on it. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully added a music on my Instagram notes. So this is the easiest and simplest process. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.